Hey friends, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. If you're watching me for the first time and if you like beauty content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell notification so that you're informed of my future videos. For those who are already subscribed to my channel, welcome to another video. As you may have known, I have already uploaded a previous video which was like 30 minutes long, and I showed a mixture of so many products that I have purchased in the last few months. So again, this is a collective haul. So that was part 1. Today I'm going to film, and today this video is about part 2. In this video I'm going to show you about all face related stuff, which is kajal, which is blush, and I think I have a primer as well and eyeshadow as well, so that the video doesn't go super long. And after this I'll be filming a video completely talking about lip products. So yeah, this is the plan for today, and let's get ahead and go ahead with this video. So I would like to show you all the products in this video one by one. So I'll just be back, do a touch up with my makeup, and I'll catch you in a bit. Friends, so I have a lot of products out here accumulated in this basket. So let's do the easy work and start with nail polishes. So I do have two nail polishes out here. Now they are from a local brand. This says Color Last and this says from the brand Color Power Lasting. So I like to try out brands which are locally made, and these were priced at just 10 bucks each. So they are really beautiful. This is like a beautiful purpley hot pink, and this is a red shade, perfect for the Christmas season right now. If you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lip, this is from this brand called Spanish Beauty. So I think it's a beautiful red lipstick and it looks better even off camera. So I use a lip liner, which again I have shown in my previous video, so you'll have to go ahead and watch it, guys. So yes, that's that on the deets about my makeup. So these were the first two things that I wanted to show, and they were just nail polishes from the local market. The next thing I would like to talk about, this Pond's Light Moisturizer. It says non-oily fresh peel for soft glowing skin. So this is how the packaging looks like. I initially thought it was the one with hyaluronic acid, that's what they say, and it is going to be in a gel format, but this is how it looks like, and it is in a cream format. So I removed the top layer and this is how it looks like. So let me tell you, it's an amazing cream. When you apply it on your skin, I initially thought it will not moisturize my skin because now my skin is super dry, and I think with aging also my skin is not that oily anymore. The only place that is oily is this around the nose and the chin. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I think I got it for like 50 bucks or something. So here the price mentioned is 45 rupees. Yes, so very inexpensive, perfect for traveling, and I really like that I got this moisturizer. Alright friends, moving on, let me show you a compact powder I purchased quite some time back. It's from iTex Dazzler. This is their compact powder. It comes in a packaging like so. The shade I have is Honey R31. It says for fair skin. Now I don't go by the fair stuff and all those things, but I felt like this shade would suit me perfectly. So this is the shade I went for. Now the packaging is quite bulky, which I did not like. Like I never thought it would be this huge. Like, can you see, it's almost the size of half the size of my face. So it kind of looks nice and classy, but I feel the packaging is a bit unnecessary. So it comes with this, mirror out here, and if I have to show you, this is how it looks like, and it comes with a puff and a clean film. Now I did feel like this powder is a little too white for my skin tone, but then again I have not tried it, so no comments. So can you see, like, let me do a close-up shot. So this is how it looks like. This is, hopefully this should suit my skin, otherwise I'll have to layer it with a separate darker shade. Let me do a swatch. So it's quite smooth, and this is how the shade is. I think it should suit me, to be very honest. So yes, ऐसा दिखता है, when I blend it, it blends easily, and it's really super soft on the skin. So wow, really wow, this is better than the other iTex Dazzler powder that I have tried, and the packaging is very basic. So I really like that I got this. The only thing I dislike is the packaging, and the compact powder I was talking about comes in another packaging like this. So this one is not that, like, it's not like the best, but this formula is much better. I really hope they change the packaging. Other than that, I have no complaints. Alright friends, moving on, there is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer, Pore Minimizing 30 ml primer that I have. Now this I got as a gift on my birthday because my cousin's wife, which is like my sister-in-law, she works for Faces Canada. So whatever I've heard about this primer is it's really amazing. So it has a light tint to it, and when you apply it your pores actually get blurred. So I like that about this primer. But other than that, it's not like super duper like going to like completely wipe off your pores, but 70 to 80% it will kind of minimize it. So I really like that about this. So yeah, this was the next purchase. Alright friends, let's move on to the next three products, and they are eye products. And before I do that, I did mention that Faces Canada primer was a purchase. No, it was gifted. So I will mention it on the screen as well. So the first thing I got is this ITEX eyeliner. It's a kajal and it is only priced at ₹40. अभी मुझे पता नहीं है उसका प्राइस इंक्रीज हो गया होगा कि नहीं. So this is 1.5 grams, and for ₹40 you are getting a kajal with a sharpener inbuilt. Like what more would you want, from a kajal? So I have tried this kajal and I like it. I will not say I dislike it or there's something wrong with it, because for ₹40 it's super smooth, super creamy and super dark. Can you see that? So it glides effortlessly on your waterline, which is where we Indians apply kajal. So it glides effortlessly, and for ₹40 you cannot ask anything better than this. So I really like this kajal. The next kajal is from this brand called Glam Gals Cosmetic. It says Kohl Kajal Pencil up to 24 hours, long lasting, retractable, smudge proof and water resistant. This is how the packaging looks like. Very nice. It comes in this kind of pouch. This is how the packaging looks like. Here it's mentioned Glam Gals, if you can see that. And when I opened, yes, truly it's a twist pencil, and let me tell you, it's really amazing. Like, it's super nice, it's long lasting, it's smooth, and what is the best part, is that you get a smudger here right behind. So you can just quickly go ahead and smudge it. So this is, I believe this is the one. So you can just smudge it like that. You can use any other kajal also, as you can use it as a smudger, and the smudger is of good quality. So I'm not sure if I showed it in a previous video, but I wanted to mention this. And I also want to use this kajal right away, so that when we buy products as bloggers, we first try to show it off in a video so that we can go ahead and use it, because sometimes we have to click pictures as well. Okay, so that was little bit TMI, but yes, I wanted to mention that. The next thing is this most famous kajal from Faces Canada, is their magnetized eye kajal. So I got this like nearly 6 months ago, and I wasn't able to show in a video. So yes, finally I'm going to try this out. So it's super dark, it's long lasting, it's smudge proof, it's waterproof, and the price of this one is, if I can find it, it's I think 189 rupees. Not I think, it is 189 rupees. And ये आपको आसानी से सेल में you can get it for 125 also, or even lesser than that depending from where you're buying it. So yes, these were the eye products that I wanted to show, which are kajals, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Alright friends, moving on. I did a campaign way back in January, and I got like a voucher code. So I wanted to try this brand called My Glam, in particular this brand called Pop Exo. So they are so beautiful, so elegant, and they're looking like a wow. Like, I really like the packaging. So I'm sure you know this lady who has said this dialogue and she became famous. So I wish even I get famous for saying something like that. So long story short, I really like the packaging. So when I got the voucher code, I had to try a couple of products. So I decided I'll buy some eyeshadow. So the first one I got is Hot Mess. So this is a beautiful shadow palette. It's a quad, basically. Quad consists of 4 colors, and these are the colors I would never buy. So I went for this one. So I'm really looking forward to trying this yellow and this orange and this pink, and the other one is like a neutral shade जो आप ट्रांजिशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So the price of these is $2.99. Like I said, I got it for a campaign that I did, and online you can get it for even less whenever there is sale. The second one is 10 nudes. Again, very quirky packaging. Again, the same price. And this one I really particularly like because this is perfect for everyday wear. So it has a copper, it has a dark brown like a taupey brown, then it has a pink, and it has a pink shimmer. So can you see that? So it looks kind of dull, boring, but trust me, these colors are really nice and perfect for everyday wear. So I'm really happy to add these to my collection. So yes, these were the two eyeshadow palettes that I wanted to show in this video. Alright friends, so the last 5 products are all cheek related. So the first two are the lip and cheek tint, which I've already reviewed on my channel, and that video got quite a good amount of views. Well, obvious reason is that it was a new launch. So I'm talking about the Inside lip and cheek tint. So these are the two lip and cheek tints that I purchased. The first shade is Strawberry Summer and the second shade is Country Pumpkin. So this is how Strawberry Summer looks like. I'm not going to talk in depth about it. See, can you see I've already done like a swatch video. I've applied it on my cheeks and everything. And this one is called Country Pumpkin. So you get this for under 100 rupees and you get it in 6 shades. I'm really eyeing the other shades as well. Hopefully in future I would want to give them a try. So it says in fact it says lip and cheek tint. So I have applied it on my lips and cheeks and mentioned in the video. I do not know if you can apply it on the eyes, but for 100 रुपये के अंदर आपको इससे कुछ better मिल ही नहीं सकता. And I think this was the best launch of 2023. So I would highly recommend you to try it. Alright friends, so last but not the least, I have these 3 Inside blusher. So this is how it comes in the packaging. It just says Inside blusher. And I've already reviewed 2 shades already on my channel. Again, they got a good amount of views because way back then it was a new launch and it was last year, I believe. So they have, in fact they have 6 shades in that collection, and there is only 1 shade that I don't have, which I may purchase. So I've been like going back and forth whether I should buy that. That is something called Watermelon something. The shades that today I'm going to show you guys is 02 Raspberry Gelato. This is really beautiful and I'm really looking forward to trying it. So like I mentioned, when we bloggers or content creators buy products, we don't really dip into our fingers right away, because we then have to show in a video. Sometimes we have to click pictures and it needs to look aesthetic. The second shade I got is Caramel Eclair. So this looks pretty dark, so I don't know how it's going to look on me. So I generally do apply it here on the outer perimeter of my cheek. So what it does is that it slims down my cheeks because I do have a round face. So yeah, that's that. And the last shade I got is the Dusty Rose. I'm really looking forward to trying this. It's a beautiful dusty rose, like it's like they always say, like if you watch Emily Noel's video, she would have loved this blush. So Dusty Rose is the last shade that I got. So yes, that brings me to the end of this video. These are all the products that I wanted to show in this video, which is a part 2 of my haul series. So I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please comment down below, it would really matter to me. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel, also share this video on your social media, and do not forget to tag me. I am also on Instagram, very much active out there. I'll mention the handle here and in the description. Also in the description box I'll mention the name of the products and the link from where you can purchase it, so do not forget to check it out. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, bye bye.